करो, हरि स्मरण करो,
हरि स्मरण करो, हरि ध्यान करो,
हरि स्मरण करो, हरि ध्यान करो,
हरि ध्यान करो, हरि भजन करो,
हरि ध्यान करो, हरि भजन करो.
Now Isha will sing a song.
भोलानाथ उमापते,
भोलानाथ उमापते,
शंभो शंकर पशुपते,
शंकर पशुपते,
नंदीवाहन नागभूषण,
नंदीवाहन नागभूषण,
चंद्रशेखर कलाधरा,
चंद्रशेखर कलाधरा,
भोलानाथ उमापते,
भोलानाथ उमापते,
शंभो शंकर पशुपते,
शंभो शंकर पशुपते,
शूलाधार ज्योति प्रकाश,
शूलाधार ज्योति प्रकाश,
विभूति सुंदर परमेश,
विभूति सुंदर परमेश,
कैलासवास गणक सदेश,
कैलासवास जनक सदेश,
गौरी मनोहर विश्वेश,
गौरी मनोहर विश्वेश,
भोलानाथ उमापते,
भोलानाथ उमापते,
शंभो शंकर पशुपते,
शंभो शंकर पशुपते,
श्मशानवास चिदंबरेश,
श्मशानवास चिदंबरेश,
नीलकंठ महादेव,
नीलकंठ महादेव,
डम 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 डमरुकनाथ,
डम 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 डमरुकनाथ,
पार्वती रमण सदाशिव,
पार्वती रमण सदाशिव,
भोलानाथ उमापते,
भोलानाथ उमापते,
शंभो शंकर पशुपते,
शंभो शंकर पशुपते.
Now we'll have Archana sing for us.
मीरादा पूजित तुलसी, वृंदावन संचारिणी तुलसी,
राधा पूजित तुलसी, वृंदावन संचारिणी तुलसी,
प्रियजन पारिणी तूषिणी तुलसी, मां प्रणमामि हरि प्रिय तुलसी,
प्रियजन पालिनी पोषिणी तुलसी, मां प्रणमामि हरि प्रिय तुलसी,
मुनिगण मंगल पूजित तुलसी,
मुनिगण मंगल पूजित तुलसी,
सम्मन मंगलकारिणी तुलसी,
सम्मन मंगलकारिणी तुलसी,
प्रियजन
Shri
धर जीवन तुलसी,
श्री मुरलीधर जीवन तुलसी,
प्रिय प्रिय तुलसी,
मां प्रणमामि हरि प्रिय तुलसी,
हरि प्रिय तुलसी, 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 हरि प्रिय तुलसी.
And finally, Madhura will sing for us.
अम्बा परमेश्वरी अखिलांडेश्वरी,
अम्बा परमेश्वरी, अखिलांडेश्वरी,
आदि पराशक्ति पालय मां,
आदि पराशक्ति पालय मां,
श्री भुवने
So that concludes all the performances today, but before we part, I would like to invite Nishaji once again to close tonight's.
So that was just a gist of what we just wanted to showcase what all they learned, and a special mention, the songs were all taught by Uma here, and then the recordings that you got was all her voice, and she is the singer, so we are all thankful to her, and she also did a few sessions here for the kids as well as Lakshmi ji also. We have some goodie bags and certificates for the kids and a few awards, and we'd like to give those out, and I'd like to invite Gopalji's Amma, Mami, to please come and give we are going in alphabetical order. Archana first. The kids were all of them, every one of them was, they were really such enthusiastic participants. They took part wonderfully in each of the segments that we did. Don't open your goodie bags yet. Okay, you can peep in after the program is over. Okay? So they were all, it was really wonderful to have them. They are such ideal students. We have Ajay. Arpan. Bharat. Ishwar. Madhura. Maitreyi.